Joe is a machinist and owns a machine shop. He's been in the manufacturing business for years and has spent the money needed to purchase new machines so he can grow his business. He started with 3-axis mills and 2-axis lathes, and in order to stay competitive, he realized that he needs to make parts faster. So Joe spends more money and invests in the best technology and multitask machines. But machines keep changing, with greater levels of complexity, like increasing numbers of axes, spindles, and turrets, all working simultaneously. His CAM system just couldn't keep up. In fact, he found that he needed multiple CAM systems to handle his different machines. He was constantly frustrated by not being able to keep his machines busy making parts, wasting both time and money. He knew there had to be an easier, more productive way to use his machines to their full capacity. If he could get them working properly and fully, he knows that their increased effectiveness would allow him to make parts faster, save machine time, and allow him not to only recoup his expenditures, but increase his overall profits. GibbsCAM's new UKM technology to the rescue. With GibbsCAM's UKM, he can now program anything from his simple mills and lathes to his state-of-the-art multitask and Swiss machines in one CAM system, with one programming environment, with accurate on-screen simulation. And no matter how complex machines get in the future, Joe's confident that GibbsCAM UKM will be able to handle them. Now, Joe's competitive and making money. GibbsCAM UKM is the power that manufacturers have been waiting for. GibbsCAM, with the power of GibbsCAM UKM. Powerfully simple, simply powerful.